Good morning. Good morning. Myself, Kranta Kumar, Assistant Professor in Chemical Department, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering College. Today, we have shown in the high voltage and solar laboratory experiments. We are conducting different type of experiments, totally related to the high voltage and solar laboratory. We are testing the high voltages. High voltage, we are testing high voltages at the laboratory. Generally, in the high voltage, we are using the high voltage. What are the different type of insulating materials we can test it? Okay, at the before going to connect in the real time applications, like suppose example we can take it as the insulators. Okay, insulators we are testing. Before we are connecting the transmissioners, before we are tested different type of test, mechanical test and or what are the different type of atmospheric test. Okay, different type of tests we can conduct it in the laboratories. The laboratories like we can using as a high voltage laboratories. Okay, in our laboratory we are testing from the different type of equipments we can connect, and like we can, I've seen the different type of equipments in our laboratory. This one is cascaded transformer. Okay, cascaded transformer by using the generating the high voltages. Okay, then another one we are testing from the this is testing the different connecting like the resistors. Okay, pin to pin, rod to rod, and spear to spear. By changing this variables, okay, by changing this is nothing but this is one point to point. This is the like point to point. Okay, by changing this one, we can connect it as another one is rod and another one is the spears. Okay, like this experiment, we are choosing this one is spear to spear gap measurement. This one is spear to spear gap measurement. Individually, I will explaining the experiment by connecting the different type of variables like by using from spears, by changing the rods, and by changing the plane to plane. Okay, well, we're going to explain the experiment. Okay, then first of all, we will explaining the by using from this one experiment. Okay, today now I can start the experiment. Verification of breakdown potential. Okay, first one today now we can discuss. We can experiment started. We can choosing the by the point to point, by changing this length. Okay, first of all, the verification of breakdown potential at the specified gap. That specified gap is nothing but the medium is air is the medium. In between the two electrodes, air is the medium. In between the electrode, air is the medium. What is the breakdown potential? Okay, but the breakdown potential we can observe in between linearly we can explain linearly we can increasing the high tension voltage. High voltage we can apply. Then high voltage is applied at the specified voltage. At the specified voltage, at the particular gap we can decide. Like once we can see that we can see here we can add from different type of lengths like mm's, 10 mm, 20 mm, 30 mm, 40 like that up to 100 mm length. Okay, first we can fix the suppose specified 30 mm gap. Suppose first we can fix the 30 mm gap. Two electrodes is there. One is a fixed, another one is a movable electrode. Okay, first one is a fixed 30 mm gap. The specified gap is 30 mm. Okay, the 30 mm gap we can apply the voltage. Then at the specified 30 mm gap, where how much of voltage, how much of breakdown voltage at the specified gap I will see. Okay, we can show in the experiment. Okay. Okay, this is a discharge rod. Okay, this one is discharge rod. Once we can apply the high voltage, okay, once we can start the experiment. We can start the experiment. The breakdown will be appear spark at the electrodes. Then, while coming into the lab, entering into the lab, compulsory discharge the high voltage. Compulsory can discharge the voltage like this. Okay, discharge the high voltage at the points of cascaded transformer at the connecting equipment. This is the application compulsory while conducting experiment. After we can change the length, specified length. We are changing the specified length. Compulsory we are entering into the laboratory. Compulsory we can discharge the voltage, discharge the high voltage. This is the main precaution. Okay, this is a discharge rod. Okay, these are the another one like plane to plane. Okay, these are the plane to plane. We are using that now. We are using the point to point. Okay, pin to pin, like pin to pin. This is a plane to plane. This is the rod gaps. Can using this is a rod gap. By changing this like point to point, then rod to rod, then plane to plane. Then next we can choose a different type of application, plane to rod or pin to plane. Okay, by using different type of variables, we can connect them. We can do the experiments. By we are analyzing, we are measuring the what are the breakdown potential at the specified gap by using from the different type of variables. Okay. Okay, this one is high voltage test kit. Okay, I will explain this test kit. Okay, this is the high voltage test kit is having from the variable input voltage. We are applying the variable input voltage, then AC charging voltage and AC current voltage. Then next one timer. Then because this one is nothing but like this indications is compulsory. We can use it from door open, mains on, unit ready, HT off, HT on, HT increase, sample press, OLR trip. Okay, individual I explain. This is the controlling. This is by using this key, by functioning of this one. Before we can start with experiments, switch on this supply compulsory. Then this is the one MCB we can switch on. Then okay, this is the emergency off. Okay, by using this is the emergency off. Okay, then emergency off is open. Then switch on the supply. Okay, then we can control signal is on. Then we can choose it from the first. We can use that mains on. Okay, we can click on mains on. Okay, they click on mains on. Then mains on. Then we can choose another one. What is the thing is unit ready. First we can start the experiment compulsory unit ready. When it is get unit ready, the voltage is low. Okay, compulsory the voltage is 0. That time the unit is ready. Then this time we can start the experiment. Okay, we can start the experiment. Then like on from first switch on the HT. Okay, HT switch we can on. Likewise, we can increasing slightly. We can increasing the high voltage increases at the specified voltage. At the specified voltage, in between the electrode, the spark will be appeared. Okay, we can observe. First, we can increasing the high tension voltage. We can observe the voltage slightly increases. Okay, we can increase the voltage. At that time, spark will be appeared. Okay, then the spark will automatically within seconds the spark will be evaporated. Then because of we are not choosing because of seconds. Okay, then once we can we are not note down the kV because of the short time. Then again we can switch on the memory part. This memory button we can shows the how much of voltage. Then note down the 30 mm specified gap, the point to point, the specified 30 mm gap. How much kV by breakdown voltage? Like 20. Okay, the gap is 30 mm, the breakdown voltage is 20. Okay, then slightly decreasing the HT decrease. Okay, you can press the button HT decrease. Okay, HT decrease, the voltage and kV also 0. Then we can mains off. Okay, the mains off. Okay, then we can control the switch is also off. Then we can go into the next we can change the gap, the 30 to 40 or 50. Okay, then I'll see compulsory once discharging. Compulsory we can discharge the rod by changing the specified gap. Note down the 40 mm. Then again we can do the same process. Then we can change the 50 mm. Then note down the readings. Okay? While conducting this experiment, we can choose specified gap. How much of breakdown voltage? 30 mm. How much breakdown? The 40 mm. How much breakdown? The space is increases. The distance increases. The voltage increase or decrease. We can by using the plane abacus. Plane to plane. Okay, the plane to plane by using this 100 kVA transformer by generating the high voltage 100 kVA transformer. Like this is the test kit by using the two plane surfaces. Okay, there are two plane. Okay, one is the movable electrode, another one is the fixed electrode. Okay, we can use this one with a specified gap. We are maintaining the specified gap by applying the voltage. Okay, by main intention of this experiment determination of breakdown voltage. Okay, the determination of breakdown voltage. Okay, by the specified gap. Okay, this is the maintaining the specified by moving this one by changing the gap here. Okay, like mm, 10 mm, 20 mm, 30 mm, 40 mm, and 50 mm. Okay, by changing the gap, by applying the voltage, the spark will be appeared at the plane surfaces. Okay, we can note down the breakdown voltage of specified gap here. Okay, first we can fix the voltage. Now I am fixing the specified gap here 40 mm. Okay, I have fixed the specified gap 40 mm. Then now I am going to apply the high voltage at the high voltage test kit control panel. Now, before applying to high voltage, compulsory lock the door. Okay, this icon is also the dark door open icon is also showing on the light at the high voltage test panel. Okay, compulsory before applying, then we can lock the door. Okay, this is a high voltage test kit 100 kV AC and 50 milliamps high voltage test kit. Then while we are applying the high voltage by this using high voltage test kit at the 100 kVA transformer control. Okay, there is a 100 kVA transformer. We are controlling the panel. This is the controlling panel. Okay, this controlling panel. Okay, before applying that, then we can choose the one MCB. Then another one. This is the main MCB. This is the main. This is the main MCB. I am using the main MCB here. Then another MCB is this is the controlling panel MCB here. Okay, this high voltage test kit control panel consisting of number of switches. Okay, the number of switches like the control on. The control on is nothing but now we can switch on the MCB. Okay, by the controlling on. The controlling on, the lights will be glow. Now we are showing mains off. Okay, now showing that we are not on the mains on, then we are not any no increasing of high voltage. That's why HT off and main off we are showing. Okay, then what is the icons? The door open. Okay, the door open. This opening light will be indicated as a after completion of experiment. Then zero of voltage, the door open light will be blown. Okay, that is it. Then mains on. First mains on. Okay, the main will be on. Then till wait for the unit ready. Till wait for the unit ready. Whenever the unit ready will be glown, the voltages will be zero. Then now unit will be ready. They are showing the icon. Okay. Then this is a memory. This memory icon is nothing but the spark will be appear at the specified gap. Okay, the plane to plane. Then within seconds of the time, the spark will be appeared. The voltage is also down. Then we can switch on. Then we can press this memory icon. The voltage will be shown. I will show that time of practical. Okay. And then the HT is off. High tension is off. The high tension is on. Suppose HT is on. Then high voltage test kit is ready. Then we can apply the voltage. Then HT is increased. While we can increasing the voltage, then the specified voltage, particular specified voltage, the spark will be appear at the planes. Okay, that is a plane surfaces by using apparatus. Okay, sample press like this is nothing but the while conducting the experiment, HT is decreased. Okay, HT is decreased. Again, we can press the reset. Reset is nothing but zero. That zero, the unit will be ready here. Then this is emergency trip. Okay, that emergency trip is nothing but we can reset again. We can have using from anything. Okay, then. This is a leakage current selector. We can select the leakage current selector. Okay, limit the leakage current 1, 2, 3, 4. You can select. Okay, then this is also we can adjusting the timer. Okay, this is adjusting the timer. This is on or bypassing the timer by using leakage current is also we can show here. This is the high voltage test kit controlling panel. Okay, then next we can apply in the process mains on. Okay, then mains on. I will switch on the mains on. Okay, the mains are unit is also ready because of totally zero. This is the applied voltage. Okay, this is the applied voltage shown here. This is the breakdown voltage and current shown here. Okay, now we can see the spark will be appeared how much of voltage. Okay, linearly I will increase. I am increasing HT increase. You can observe the spark at plane to plane surface and you can observe how much of voltage will be appear, how much of kVs will be appear voltage. Like the spark will be appear here. Then now we can decrease the HT. HT will be decreased here. Okay, slowly HT will be decreases. HT will be decreased nothing but high voltage. Okay, that high voltage decrease the kV is 0. Okay, that sample reset. Okay, we can press the sample reset. The voltage will be 0. The voltage 0 here. Okay, that voltage will be 0. So wait for voltage 0 because of we are pressing sample reset. Okay, the unit is ready. Okay, again the unit is ready. Then switch off the mains. Okay, the switch off the mains. Okay, the switch off the mains. The HT is also off condition. We can show you HT is also off condition. Okay, we can click the mains is off. That door is open. Okay, we can close controlling switch is off. Then switch off the MCB. Now the next we can change the specified gap. Okay, by change the specified gap. Then like now 40 mm is specified gap we are maintaining. The spark will be appeared. Then we can change the 40 or 50 or 20 like. Okay, now we can change the plane to plane. We can change the rod to rod gap, or we can change the spear. Now we can change the plane to rod also. The plane to rod to point is also we can change. Then before entering into the lab, okay, the before and after completion of experiment, then going to lab, the door is open, the icon is indicated. Then now going to the door open. Now door open. Then discharge by using this rod. Okay, by using this rod, we can discharge the voltage. Okay, by whatever will be connected, cascaded transformer. Okay, high voltage transformer. We can discharge here. Discharge. Again, we can discharge. Okay, again discharge. Why we can. Okay, discharge. Again, we can change the length. Okay, by again we can change the distance. Now we can change the 50. Okay, by changing the 50 mm gap, same we can apply the high voltage. Then specified gap, we can increase in the HT increases. We can note down the reading. Then like much of 30 mm gap and 40 mm gap and 50 mm gap, we can observe. Okay, now next we can change the plane to the rods. Okay, plane to rod. Okay, this is Kranti Kumar, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Today, conduct an experiment of determination of breakdown voltage, the specified gap by using the different apparatus like plane and rod. Okay, by changing the now before conducting the experiments at the rod to rod gap and plane to plane, pin to pin. Now, by changing the rod and plane surface, in between the plane surface and rod, in between, say, by using from the 100 kVA transformer, then this test kit of same test kit by connecting at the plane and rod. By changing the space itself, by changing the length, okay, by changing the, now I am fixing 30 mm gap I will maintaining by conducting this experiment I will maintaining 30 mm gap in between the plane to rod surface. Okay, in the previously we are conducting in the experiment we are conducting rod to rod, plane to plane, pin to pin. Now changing the rod to plane. Then we can observe the how much of breakdown voltage by the different apparatus by using the specified 30 mm gap. Okay, then now applying the high voltage. Okay, this is the high voltage test kit control panel. Okay, then while the supply will be given to the main MCB to the control panel MCB. Okay, control panel MCB here. Okay, we can switch on the control MCB. Okay, now we can switch the control on. Okay, the control on we can choose the mains off, HT off because of both are in off position. Okay, now this controlling panel consisting of voltage while applying the applied voltage here. This is the charging voltage, AC charging voltage, AC leakage current. Because how much of breakdown voltage will be appear at the specified gap by using that apparatus. Okay, that will be shown here. Okay, this is the current limiting selector by I will put here 2 current limiting selector while putting the 2 by limit the leakage current. Okay, then now by door only open by conducting all the experiment, then we can complete the experiment. We can door will be open, icon will be indicated. The mains on is nothing but supply will be on. The unit ready is nothing but while do conduct the experiment at ready. Test kit is ready. We can do the experiment. That is the symbol of unit ready. Next, HT off, then HT on, then HT increase. Then the sample reset is nothing but the spark will be appeared. Then reset the voltage. Okay, reset the voltage. Now mains will be on. You can start the process. The main will be on. The main will be on. The unit is already ready. Suppose the unit ready till you are waiting the unit ready. We are conducting the experiment. Unit ready. Then switch on the HT is also on. Then HT off and HT on. You can observe the difference. HT on. Slightly you can increase the HT increase. Okay, you can show the applied voltage here. Then observe the breakdown voltage here. That spark will be appear at the specified gap of aperture. Okay, the spark will be appeared. Then the voltage will be within the seconds will be the spark will be disappear. Then you can show press the icon of memory. The memory icon. Then you can show the how much of voltage will be recorded. This is a 40k. Okay, then next we can decrease the high voltage. Okay, then try to decrease the high voltage. Then director voltage will be 0. Then next reset the sample reset. Okay, the sample reset voltage will be also 0. The unit is ready. Only all the voltage breakdown voltage and applied voltage will be 0. The unit ready will be on. Yes, you can show here the unit ready will be on. The next mains will be off. That control is also off. You can close the MCB.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.